Hi, this is Shreyans Bhandari here. So we are in a very green and natural environment today in the midst of Aravali range of mountains. We are at a girls' boarding school. This is a school which our grandfather and father built 12 years back. You must be wondering why we have come here and where we are taking you next. It has a deep connection with our school and how we think and create spaces.
France and I have always loved to travel. So whenever we travel, we explore. We explore different schools as well. What practices do they have? What cultures are they bringing to the students? So as part of that process, we have also seen various villas in various states in the country and even abroad. So we have always been wanting to bring some peace back to where we live so that people can witness the beauty of Udaipur, of this beautiful valley, which is Moringa Valley, where our villa is located. It is beautifully nestled in the Aravali ranges, because each and every corner in the villa, I assure you, it just speaks a different story. You can see the craft in each and every corner of Aurum Villa, and we are so excited for you to witness it.
So we are on our way to Moringa Valley to Aurum Villa. It is lush green, you can see, and it almost looks like a hill station. So here we are finally at the Aurum Villa, and it's a absolutely scenic setting, cloudy weather.
We had come up with this word aurum because it is a Latin word which means gold, and gold in itself symbolizes the beauty. And as you can see, the beauty of this place is so scenic. It is nestled between the beautiful mountains.
So now let's go inside. Walk up and arrive at this outdoor area. There's a beautiful pool. There's very pleasant aesthetic. It feels as if you've arrived at a very different place altogether.
This is a perfect blend of modern style with that calmness of nature. Each and every corner of the villa has been designed with such craftsmanship that you can see the elegance and luxury. For us, we just love this spot because we just unwind and we enjoy the sunrise with a morning cup of tea.
So our architect from Mumbai has designed this villa very beautifully on the theme Japandi minimalism, and we'll mostly see golden, white, browns being used intentionally throughout the villa. Very rarely you'll see a spark of blue somewhere on the furniture just to create a contrast. It's a wonderful living space. You will feel you are at home and you are in a very luxurious space. So we always believe that hospitality is something which you cannot only see, but you can also feel. It's a feeling of being at the right place. So I think this is the feeling that you get once you're at Aurum. and as I earlier said, this is a place which holds you back.